Hello everyone, welcome back to NULLMICGO's channel. I'm Michael. If you watched my last video, you saw that I created an AI generated driving racing video. It looks pretty cool, right? Now I'm going to show you exactly how this video was made. Instead of generating entire videos blindly and hoping they turn out right, we are going to use a smarter approach. Generate frames first, get approval, then create the video. This saves time, money, and ensures you get exactly what you want. We'll be using two powerful tools. Whisk from Google Lab, which is creating our starting frames, and Kling 2.6 for turning those approved frames into smooth 5-second videos. Let's dive in. Before we dive into crafting your own prompts, let's take a quick look at what separates a mediocre AI video prompt from one that produces absolutely stunning results. Think about it. The AI isn't a mind reader. If you just say, a guy with a car, you'll get something generic. But when you feed it a well-structured prompt, it's like giving a professional film director a detailed shot list. The results become cinematic, realistic, and exactly what you envisioned. So, what goes into a professional level prompt? There are 7 key ingredients that almost always show up in the best ones. First, you want to set the overall scene and style right at the beginning. Are we going for a gritty cinematic feel, a sleek commercial vibe, maybe documentary-style realism? This one decision sets the entire mood and tone for the video. Next, and this is huge, describe exactly how the camera should move. Don't just say moving camera, be precise. A slow, dramatic push-in, a smooth tracking shot that follows the subject, or even an immersive FPV drone chase. The more specific you are, the more dynamic and professional the motion feels. Then, paint a vivid picture of your main subject. Who are they? What are they wearing? How are they standing or moving? What expression is on their face? In our example, we've got a confident drift racer, poised and ready, standing proudly in front of his heavily modified white 2014 Toyota Spade. Those little details bring the character to life. After that, build the world around them. What's the environment like? In this case, we're talking a moody nighttime setting. Heavy fog rolling through, thick tire smoke drifting naturally, wet asphalt glistening under the lights. These atmospheric details make the scene feel alive and immersive. Lighting is another make or break element. Great prompts always specify the lighting mood, maybe cold blue ambient tones for a mysterious feel, warmed up with soft neutral highlights and realistic shadows that ground everything in reality. Good lighting turns a flat image into something that feels like it could be from a Hollywood blockbuster. Don't forget the technical side either. Mention the virtual camera setup, something like a 35mm lens on a cinema camera with smooth dolly movement. These details help the AI simulate real filmmaking gear and give you that polished, high-end look. And finally, always include some quality safeguards at the end. Phrases like ultra-photorealistic, real-world physics, no deformities or AI artifacts, nothing cartoonish. This is your insurance policy. It tells the AI to prioritize realism and clean output every single time. When you combine all 7 of these elements, scene style, camera movement, subject details, environment, lighting, technical specs, and quality control, you're basically handing the AI a complete creative brief. The results speak for themselves. Right now, on the Whisk platform, once you open it, you should see the same screen that I'm seeing now. You can click on the button in the top right corner, Create New Project. Then on the left-hand side, please upload your personal photo here, because the tool will use it to generate upcoming images based on the photo you provide. Okay, let's start with scene 1. You can directly copy the prompt and paste it into the chat. Remember to select your photo before generating. After a short while, it will generate 2 images. If they don't fit what you want or don't look like you, you can try uploading a different photo and generate again. I want to special mention I like the refine button in here, because it allows us to base on this image to update instead of totally generate a new image again, because what you want to change is just little thing in a generated image. This refined button is super helpful. As I mentioned earlier, at this stage, it's an advantage for us. We can keep generating images until they meet our expectations. Once you get an image you're happy with, you can move on to Kling 2.5. You have 2 ways to access Kling 2.5. One is to go directly to the official site klingi.com. The other, my recommended way, is to use OpenArt, because OpenArt lets us choose different models such as Nana Banana as well. In my case, I'm using OpenArt. What you need to do is select the image you created on the Whisk platform, copy the prompt into OpenArt, and choose 5 seconds. Since I don't want to waste my tokens again, you can follow the same steps. After a while, you'll get your video. Just repeat these steps until you've built all the scenes. Then you can use After Effects or any other video editing tool to put them all together. For no copyright music, I go to ncs.io to find some racing music, then add it to the video. That's all. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I'll be happy to follow up. Thank you, and Merry Christmas again.